Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to stitch on TikTok with a saved video. So first of all, open TikTok apps. Tap on the plus icon for the post. Tap on upload. Select video and then next. More option and allow text. And select everyone can view this post, customize only you, and click on post. Tap on lock icon. So that's how you can easily stitch on TikTok with a saved video. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.